What should be steps for a new distributor to grow in business? Part 6. The reuse of digital advertisement. How you can use digital media with no cost, as tea is more than just a household product in today's digital age. WhatsApp status, personal tea moments. Take it personal with WhatsApp status. Share daily tea moments, special offers, and sneak peeks. It's your direct line to customers, making them a part of your tea family. Facebook Your Tea Hub. To increase your engagement with your customer, make your Facebook page and showcase your products over the page. Instagram Visual Tea Inspiration. For a visual tea paradise, hop on the Instagram Express. Showcase the vibrant colors, aroma, and art of tea. Also follow us for updates. The digital blend of success. Our journey to tea success is a blend of these platforms. Use them wisely, tell your tea story, and connect with tea lovers. Your tea empire awaits, let's brew it together. For more details, call or WhatsApp or email us.